Assalamu alaikum students. I am your English teacher from IYS schools for class 4. Please listen to my instructions very carefully. Have a notebook and a pencil with you during the lecture. Note down difficult words you find during the lecture and ask me at the end of the session. During the lecture, I will share screen with you. Please take screenshot and do all work in your fair copies carefully, like you did in your classroom. Please use pen and pointer for your fair work. Kindly students, don't interrupt me during the lecture. Once the lecture ends, you will be free to ask questions. I will give you some time to ask me questions relevant to the topic. Yesterday, I shared, I explained you letter, I explained you unit number 3, artist, and I also shared words meaning to you. And today, I am going to share question answers of the unit number 3 and artist. Okay, my students, I am giving you 1 minute. Please take the screenshot of the words meaning we did in our previous class. This is for your convenience, so you will continue it with smoothly. Okay, students, kindly take the screenshot. I am giving you 1 minute. Take the screenshot of word meaning, and then I will start sharing question answers with you. Understand? Okay. I hope you all take the screenshot, and now I am sharing screen of question answers with you. Okay. Question number 1 is, did the author like art classes? As I have explained you, I am giving you a small summary of the lesson that the author was not interested in taking art classes because he was a colorblind person and no one knows the secret of the art of the writer. So he want to hide his secret from all, and he don't want to draw anything because he was a colorblind person. Colorblind persons are those who unable to distinguish or differentiate between red and green color. Understand? So the question number 1 is, did the author like art classes? The answer for this is no, because he was afraid people would find out his secret that he was colorblind. The answer why our author didn't like the art classes is that because he is afraid that people would find out his secret that he was colorblind. He was afraid. He was very afraid that maybe his secret goes out and people will make fun of him. So he want to hide his secret. That is why he hate the art classes. He didn't like the art classes. Please take the screenshot. I am sharing screen with you. Please take the screenshot so you will never waste your time and gain the most of the lecture. Okay. Now, question number 2. What was the author's secret? What was the author's secret? You all know very well that he was a colorblind. He was a colorblind, and that is the author's secret. That is the writer's secret, that he is colorblind person. Colorblind person are those who are unable to differentiate between red and green color mostly. Okay. Now question number 3. Question number 3. What unimaginable thing happened on 29th May 2012? Okay, what was the unimaginable incident happened with the author? Here they are sharing about the unimaginable incident that was happened with the author on 29th May 2012. Okay, now firstly, the art expert turned out to be careful young man, and firstly, what incident happened that the art teacher was opposite of what the author was expecting from him. Okay. Second thing, when asked to paid narrated, quickly dabbed point all over the canvas, which was much appreciated by the art expert. Means writer think that art teacher uh, never liked his art skill, or he is out of the art skill, but when he draw or dabbed or draw something on the canvas, the art expert teacher appreciated him. So these are the two unimaginable things. Mean uh, writer and author is not imagining, he is unable to imagine that this will happen to him, that someone like his drawing or something he is painted. Okay, question number 4 is, what did the author do when the art expert approached him? What did the author do when the art expert approached him? Means what habit did the author practice when the author approached me reached him? He painted canvas savagely with whatever color paints he could have. He could grab. Means in the hurry, he picked all the colors in his hand and start coloring and drawing something savagely. Means unconsciously paint on the canvas. So this is the thing happened with the author when the art teacher approached him. Okay. Now question number 5. Why did the art expert applauded? Why did art expert applauded mean clap? Why did art teacher clap for the author? Okay, the art expert felt that the author's work was marvelous. Okay, you all know very well that artist persons are like someone who have another kind of art approach. So art expert or art teacher felt that the author's work was marvelous. Means art teacher finds the author work very good. He appreciate and clap for author for doing this, um, for doing the drawing or the painting, or using the color scheme of the author. Now, this is the homework for you. This question is for your homework because it is open-ended question. If you were the author, what would you do about your secret? Mean, if you were on the place of the author and you have some secret or you have some disability, so what would you do about your secret? Mean, what would you do? Would you open your secret? Would you hide your secret? And what are the steps you take to hide your secret? Okay, if suppose you were the author and you were a colorblind person, so what will you do to hide your secret? Or you want to hide your secret? If you don't want to hide your secret, why? Why you don't want to hide your secret? And if you want to hide your secret from other, then what are the measures you take to uh, hide your uh, secret? Do it in your fair copies. Note down the questions with black pointer and the answer with your blue ink pen. Okay, my students. Now I am again sharing the screen of words meaning with you. Take the screenshot. You have just 10 seconds. Take the screenshot of this whole screen of words meaning. Take the screenshot of this whole screen. Now, these are the question answers. Take the screenshot of question answers. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 questions. You have just 10 seconds. Take the screenshot, my children. Okay. Also take the screenshot of question number 5 and homework. Take the screenshot of question number 5 and the homework. Now our chapter is ended. Okay. You will write question number 6 in your homework. It's open-ended question. You share your reviews about if uh, you were on the place of the author, what would you do about your secret? It's a very easy question. Okay, I hope you all have screenshot the things I have shared with you. Now I am sharing application with you. My students, this is the new task. I am sharing application with you. Kindly take the screenshot of this application first. Take the screenshot of this application, students. Application. The question for application is write an application to your headmistress requesting her for remission of fine. Remission mean returning you a fine. Mean your teacher has had fined you for something and you are writing an application to your headmistress and you are requesting him to please uh, return your fine. Remission mean return your fine. Okay, the pattern of application is here with you on screen. Kindly do the application in your grammar portion and do the things I am shared with you as it is, like I am sharing with you. Okay, on the left side of your page you will write the headmistress, comma, ABC school, comma, Karachi, full stop. Please be careful about punctuation marks I'm sharing with you. This will carry also some marks, okay? Subject. Subject must be underlined. Okay, subject must be underlined. The subject of the application is application for remission of fine. The subject is application for remission of fine for returning of fine. Okay, then on the next line, respected madam, comma, respected and madam will be right, must be written with the capital letters. Okay, respected madam. On the next line you will make paragraph. Just under the respected madam you will write, most respectfully it is stated that my English teacher fined me rupees 200 not for not appearing in the test that was held on 15th April. Means you are explaining your circumstances, your situation with you. Most respectfully means you are addressing your headmistress that I was not appeared in the test which was held on 15th April. So kindly remit my fine, so my teacher took the fine of rupees 200 for me for not appearing in the test. Madam, I could not appear in the test because my father was ill and there was nobody in the house to look after him. You are explaining your situation to your madam that I couldn't appear in the test because my father was ill and there was nobody in the house to look after him. So basically, you are sharing your situation with your headmistress for not appearing in the test. Okay, students. Now paragraph change, and paragraph, when you change the paragraph make sure that you use the same line, like I am cursoring, same line from where you start most respectfully. From the same and next line you will start another paragraph and write, I request you to kindly remit my fine. Please remit my fine, return my fine, and in next test I will do my best, inshallah. You are assuring your headmistress that inshallah I will perform better in the next test. Please return my fine this time so I will become more punctual in another test. Then on the other paragraph, same line, thank you. Yours obediently. Yours obediently means I am your obedient student. I am your obedient student and I am very thankful to you. XYZ. XYZ should be capital. Please take the screenshot of this screen I am sharing with you again. You have just 10 seconds. Please take the screenshot of the screen and do all the work in your grammar portion by writing the question with black pointer and by writing the whole application with blue ink pen. Underline the subject. Underline the subject with black pointer. Write the subject with the blue ink pen and underline it with the black pointer. Understand, students? Now I hope you all have taken the screenshot. Now I am sharing another thing with you, which was your essay. Essay number 2. I have shared first essay on first class, which was held on Monday, and now this is your essay, another essay. Okay? An interesting event. Interesting mean amazing, something which is very wonderful, something which you were amazed, you find it very interesting. Event mean an vakya. Event ko hum we said even in Urdu vakya. Okay, so it is an interesting event. There are many events in school life which brighten up my memory and make me feel happy. Okay, so here you are starting. This is the introduction of your essay. Okay, these two lines are the introduction of your. This is the introduction of your essay. So you are writing here. There are many events in school life which will brighten your memory, which make you feel happy, which make you cheerless, which make you remember your school. Okay, then you start then you will start doing the main body of the essay. Okay, kindly be careful about the paragraphing of the essay. Okay, students, then this is the main body of the essay. It was my school function. We celebrated 14th August, our Independence Day, at our school. Means your interesting event was your school function, which was the Independence Day celebration. Okay, every student looked forward to this day. Every student was very excited, was very cheerish about this day to happen. Okay, it was always a great chance for students to have a break from routines. Means when you have any function in your school, you have a chance to take the break from your studies and you participate in all the things your routine from the school change. So it is a freshman like thing with you. Okay, we decorated our school with balloons, festoons. Okay, festoons are the things are the balloons and festoons. You are explaining that you were decorated your school with the many interesting things. Many distinguished guests. Distinguished mean respectable. Many important guests were invited. The students. The function started with the name of Almighty Allah and Nate Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Okay, you are explaining the scenario of your function, that the function start with the name of Almighty Allah and Nati Rasul Maqbool. Then welcome song was presented by our little stars. Chief guest distributed prizes to students for their brilliant performance. Here you are explaining about your prize distribution or the dramas or the tableaus were presented in the 14th August function. Several drama and national songs were presented by students which show their love towards their homeland. Here, your introduction, your main body of the essay is completed here. Okay, now the ending of the essay is here. It was an amazing day because I received award for best performer. These kind of functions make student life memorable. Means these kind of functions cherish the memories of the students, cherish the student and make them happy about their school life. I am giving you 10 seconds. Please take the screenshot of this essay. Please take the screenshot of this essay, my students. Please take the screenshot of the screen I am sharing with you. You have just 10 seconds. Okay, my students. Now I am sharing my previous lecture screen with you. On your demand, like all the students asked me yesterday that Miss, please share Monday's lecture with me, Monday's lecture essay with me. Please, Miss, share letter with me. Please, Miss, share this thing or that thing. So today we have time and this is our last English class. So I am sharing the previous letter the which I had shared with you on Tuesday. On Tuesday, I had shared a letter with you. So now I am again sharing it with you. It is the last time for you. Please take the screenshot of this letter and do it in your grammar portion copies and note it down very carefully. I am giving you 10 seconds. Please take the screenshot. Okay, this is the letter. Write a letter to your friend. Tell him her about the prize you won in race competition. Okay, so you are writing a letter to your friend in which you are telling him about the prize you won in the race competition. So the pattern of S letter is different from the pattern of application. Okay, students, you have to start the letter with the right hand of your page. You will write the use the right side of your page to write the starting of the letter. The examination hall, ABC Road, Karachi, June 8, 2020. Okay, from another line you will write, dear friend, comma. Please make sure you must have to follow the punctuation very carefully. Okay, I am fine here and hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah. I am very happy to inform you about sports competition which was held in our school last week. I have also participated in 100-meter race and got first position in the race. Our headmistress awarded prize and certificates. I am very happy and working hard for next. Say salam to your family members, your loving friend X, Y, and Z. So this is your letter in which you are telling the whole situation of your race competition which was held in your school in which you won a prize for 100-meter race. You got the first prize and you want to share it with your friends, so you are writing a letter. So your headmistress awarded with the prize and certificate. You are happy, and in the last of the letter you are saying salam to the family members of your friend. Okay, take the screenshot. I hope you all have taken the screenshot of this letter. This letter was shared with you on the lecture of Tuesday because today is our last lecture, so I am sharing letter again to you on your demands. On the students demand, I am sharing it again with you. It's the last chance for you. Please take the screenshot. Now I am sharing the essay which I shared with you on Monday. On Monday's lecture, I shared the essay An Autobiography of Garbage Truck with you. Autobiography means the account of the person written by the person itself. Means if I am writing my hobbies, my daily routine about myself, it will become my autography. If any student, if anyone is writing about himself, it will become the autobiography of that person. So here we are sharing an autobiography of garbage truck. Okay, garbage truck is writing about himself that I am a garbage truck like all other vehicles. I am very huge and noisy. People usually don't like me because I left unpleasant smell behind me. You all know garbage truck carry garbage, so it's for unpleasant and nasty smell behind him. Okay, but it's not me who create this trash. Now garbage truck is defending himself that I don't create this mess, I don't create this trash. Okay, humans, you humans are responsible for it. Now this will be the from here the main body of the essay started. I arrives every morning and gobbles up all the thing, collect, keep your environment clean. Please take the screenshot of this essay. This is the whole essay. Take the screenshot. My students, take the screenshot of this essay. I maybe look bad, but I am very useful to keep your surroundings clean. My mouth is on my back when I gather garbage. So many yuck things stuck in my pointy teeth like fruit peels, plastic bags, fish bones, and shred of meat. When I complete my round, I dump all garbage at garbage dumps, and at last, garbage truck is instructing you that it's your duty to keep all the trash in your dustbin. Use the dustbin so it will become easy for the garbage truck to collect your garbage easily. I hope you understand the lecture very carefully and understand all the lecture which I had shared with you. Please note it down in your fair copies very carefully. You all know this is your fair copy, and I will check it uh, anytime, and I will ask to show me your work anytime. So do your work regularly, and I hope you understand the lecture and enjoyed the lecture. We'll meet you in next class of English, which is given to you in schedule. Take care of yourself. Keep yourself safe during this epidemic, this pandemic days. Keep yourself safe. Allah Hafiz and have a good time. Thank you so much.